distinguished guests, administration, teachers, family, friends, and of course, the class of 2016. Whether we are venturing to the pond for a class or sport, crossing Newton Road to walk the Blue Trail for PE, or lurching over speed bumps on the morning bus, the painted boulder sitting by the school's entrance has become an integral part of Amite's daily life and identity. During the picnic held following our freshman year orientation, the rock read in bold red and white lettering, "Welcome Class of 2016. For some, we came full circle in this tradition by painting Welcome Class of 2019 for this year's incoming freshmen, while others have congregated at night over the past 4 years to paint the rock for Club Day, the musical, senior nights, big games, and perhaps on occasion for an anonymous joke. Not only does it represent the diverse interests and activities of a student body, but it also, in a way, reflects how each of us has grown and will continue to grow following high school. Legend has it, the rock is actually just a small pebble, and the layers spray painted on by student organizations and teachers gradually contributed to the size it is today. Though our bodies are not stained with blacks, golds, blues, or reds, like the rock, embedded within us are memories of our experiences during high school. In a manner of speaking, we too have accumulated new layers these past 4 years. I found the peers in sophomore English with whom I disagreed most were the ones who drove me to think more expansively. And on a lighter note, though my background in gymnastics would not guarantee me an equal amount of success in the pole vault, along the way I discovered a love for running. In these moments, I gained confidence and uncovered new interests, while for all of us, with each night spent studying, submitting a paper moments before the turn-in deadline, each trek up to junior parking, or study halls spent attempting to silently open a bag of chips in the media center, we forged our individual paths throughout Amity. At the beginning of this year, Mrs. Mahan presented us with an objective, to find our passions. Though some of us asserted we were avidly passionate for agenda paths, I think it's fair to say not everyone had solely one subject which embodied their true passion. Even if we are leaving Amity in pursuit of a specific career or field, these majors or occupations cannot encompass who we are as individuals. In contrast, it is the collection of classes, the moments where our lives took unexpected turns, that shape and prepare us to enter the looming real world our parents and teachers constantly reference. Long before this real world seemed tangible, a time also known as the 5th grade, I visited Amity with my dad, who wanted to show me around his old high school. Walking down the wide halls, I looked up at him and remarked, "Thank God I won't be going here. This school seems way too big." Well, that clearly didn't work out, as I ended up entering as a new student freshman year. But I'm glad to report I regretted the words I so confidently confessed in elementary school. And, as Amity means friendship, this regret was in large part due to the relationships formed during these past 4 years. I'm sure many of us can marvel at how the strangers who sat beside us freshman year, by some means, became the people we already can't wait to see come Thanksgiving next fall. When we do reunite, however, we'll return carrying a few more coats of paint. In this regard, while the rock will remain grounded in the Amity's soil, we maintain the ability to take on new layers and color our futures with different adventures following graduation. New interests may emerge, while other experiences will help to solidify our core traits. The same motivation which drove us to protest against the food ban may drive you to become a physician, engineer, professional athlete, or artist. And though some of us will continue on to create actual artwork, as a class, we now begin to leave our mark without a physical can of spray paint in hand. As we leave, I challenge you to uphold ambition and curiosity. I urge you to not only welcome new layers in your lives, but also be the reason someone else adds a layer to theirs. To the class of 2016, thank you so much and congratulations.
Thank you, Yael. Now, here to award the Amity